Hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Nerf StrongArm. So I'm going to now unbox it. It might take a minute for me to just get into this thing. Oh my god, just going to put you facing up for a minute. Like so, sorry I'm in the worstest clothes ever. Just going to unbox this little guy, my worst clothes. Worse enough to be making a video in. They are quite bad. I'm going to try and unbox this, guys. I've just got it. Just got it out of the box. Just managed to cut this. Oh my god. I didn't notice there was another one, guys. Sorry to be such a pain in the blimmin' butt. But I can't. I'm not going to get to telling you the specs in a minute. In fact, I won't tell the specs. This video ends up too blooming long. This is almost dehydrated pea. Horrid. I'm trying to do this. It's almost dehydrated pea. Horrid. Oh my god! Can you see how hard this is for me, guys? Oh my god. Sorry it's taking a long time to take this little guy out of the box. Oh my god. Have I unboxed this little guy? Yes, I seem to have unboxed this little guy. Don't tell me there's another... Oh my god, guys! If you're going to be getting one of these, I bet it's going to wind you up. Wait, is that it out of the... Yes! So this is what the gun looks like. Now I just need some bullets. Oh my god. I don't think I'm going to get to this video. If unboxings are going to be this hard, I am not going to unbox them with you. Right, so, scissors. Sorry guys, this is, oh my god, annoying. This is like the most annoying video. Do you need to know the specs? I think you do. And I will not get round to the specs at this rate. Now I've got these things out. Dang it. I'm gonna use these scissors, stick them down there, try and break out of this flipping box, not blocks. There are some things that I need to tell to myself. Word up, shut up, and please stop annoying your YouTubers. That's what we need to say. So, oh, yay, I finally got these out of that box. So this is what the gun looks like. Here's what the bullets look like, and I'm just gonna put a bullet in. Looks like you've got to put them in a bit here. So if the camera's blowy, this camera never focuses. Oh my god, is that there? Yay. So, and basically, Just gonna shoot it at the wall. How the heck do I do this? Oh my god! How the heck do I use this thing? How the heck do I use this little guy? Like so. It's not going to end up firing in my face in the future. Oops. So guys, flip the iPhone over. 2 bullets. 3 bullets. 4 bullets. Sorry guys. And 5 bullets. Is this one? Oh my god! This is winding me up. And now, here's the last bullet. It's in the best condition. Yep. Oh my god, the top is so squidgy, I could shoo that away. So. Number one thing, how do I shoot this? Oh my god. Who in the heck world would shoot this gun? Oh my god! What the heck are you saying to me, you fat gun? Oh, like this. Is this how to do it, guys? What the heck? My friend bought me this thing and it's just... Oh, that was really odd, guys. So, if you like the unboxing, please like, subscribe and comment. If you didn't like it, just leave a dislike and leave in the comments what videos you do like. So guys, bye. See ya. What? Oh my god, this gun is messing up. Oh, that's how to do it. So guys, bye.